Hello, in this video I'm going to do the unboxing video of the Sunbeam Sieve Juicer Pro. So you can see here we're just going to open up the top of the box right here, and let's see what is inside this box. So I'm just going to open up the top there. There is an instruction menu at the top. So everything is all in the plastic wrap, and this is the main machine here. So it's just going to take it out. So in here is the juicing cup, so that's where all the juice go. So there is also a brush for cleaning inside the juicing cup, so that's the brush right there, so you can just use it to clean. Now over here inside the box there is the machine, so we're just going to pull out that paper, cardboard paper. It's quite heavy, so it's gonna need to lift out the whole unit. So I'm just going to try to lift the whole unit up. Just be careful that you don't break anything, that you don't drop it. So just use two hands and bring the whole thing out. So there it is. That's the whole unit inside the box. Nothing else is in the box. So you can, there's a tag at the top there. You can just take out the tag. There's another one right there. And that's the top. That's where all your fruit or vegetable goes down to. So at the bottom there is a knob where you can control the speed. So pull down this lever here to open up. Now on the side here, that's where all your leftover goes into, on the right hand side. That's that there. So we use that thing there to push down the fruit or vegetables. So you can see we can lower down the lever and then take out the top. And here you need to remove that cardboard. So this is the blade of the grinder. So it will grind the fruit into the juice. This is a 1000 watt machine. So we'll use a bit of power. So here is the container that contains all the leftover after juicing the fruit and vegetable. You can also take this part out for cleaning, and that is the unit, the motor by itself. So after you finish, you can take out this part here for cleaning. And that is all the pieces inside the box of the Sunbeam Sieve Juicer Pro. So here are all your pieces. If you are missing one of these pieces, you might not be able to do the job properly. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.